Hey there and welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video we are going to be diving into the world of Facebook ads, and I'll be sharing with you 5 essential copywriting techniques that will help you to create high converting ads in 2023. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. So the first thing that you need to know is that your headline is very important in copywriting in marketing. So if the headline fails, the entire copy fails. The headline itself is a copy that should induce or motivate people to take the action of reading the entire copy. So that headline must be very good, and on your Facebook ad copy, your headline must be good enough to get people to click the call to action so that they can land on your landing page. So to do this, you need to make sure that you use hooks, and you make sure that you actually use words that incite curiosity, um show news, or talk about the self-interest of the audience. The second thing, which is very important, is to use power words. Power words are going to make your copy to come alive, instead of you just having passive words like probably, I think, words that are inducing doubt. You will have words that showcase confidence and will make people to take more action on your or take action on your copy, because your copy has become more active and more powerful to the audience. The third thing is to actually address pain points. Yes, so people buy from you not because they like you, they buy from you because they feel understood. So when you address their pain points and you call out your audience, they will be able to know that you really understand what they are going through, you know who they are, and then they will be willing to buy from you. So addressing pain points in your copy is a very important technique that you should imbibe in 2023 so that you can get your ads to convert more. The fourth thing is to actually use social proof. Yeah, this is something that people don't do a lot, but if you do this, it can actually work for you. Instead of you just thinking about writing some bunch of words that will be trying to convince people that you are the best at what you do, you can take some of the testimonials of your past clients or your past students and paste them into the copy that you are going to use to run ads, and use an emoji of 5 stars. When people see that, they'll be willing to actually take action, because they are saying that this copy um is not just business centric, it is customer centric, because they are seeing the right words of past clients that have actually patronized you, convincing them to patronize you as well. Then the fifth thing is now your call to action. This is where people actually make mistakes. People just rely so much on investing on researching a headline and problems of the audience and crafting a copy. They don't think too much about the headline. So if your copy is very good and the parts where people should take action, that copy, the words you are using to get them to take action is not strong enough, it's going to fall apart. So your call to action must be very good, and this is not just on the Facebook ad copy, this also matters on the landing page. So it's good for you to have a call to action copy. That's what I like to call it. This is going to be a copy that gets people to take action. So for instance, on your landing page, you want them to buy a course. Instead of you just saying buy now, you could say transform your digital marketing career now. That makes a lot more sense, because by clicking the button, they're actually getting a bonus or they are getting a benefit. They are not just clicking because they are seeing this buy word on the copy. So but what is very important is that when you have a call to action copy, make sure to split test it. And the way to do this is to have duplicate landing pages, run ads on duplicate landing pages to see if another call to action button with another color is going to give you better results. But for starting out, you could start with one landing page and see if it works well. If it doesn't work well, you could create another landing page, split test the copy, the call to action copy, and see if it will give you better results. So there you have it. Those are the 5 things. Let me do a recap. The first thing is your headline. The second thing is to make sure you are using power words. The third one is to address the pain points of your audience so that they feel understood. The fourth thing is to actually use social proof so that you are no longer business centric, you are customer centric. The fifth thing is to make sure that you don't just use call to actions, you use call to action copy. So this is all in this video. Hope you found it helpful. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel.